Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. Today's topic is this: Safaricom is collapsing. Should you buy? Should you hold? Ladies and gentlemen, the temperature now at the stock market is very high. Investors are getting jittery. Safaricom is collapsing. We are seeing prices we have never seen in the last few years. Safaricom has touched 22 shillings. Last year, Safaricom was selling at a high of 45 shillings. If you invested $1 million shillings in Safaricom last year, the price now has reduced by half. The price now is half. If we invested $1 million shillings in Safaricom last year, that's 1 million now is 500,000. Things are terrible at the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, what should investors do? What should investors do? In the recent past, Safaricom has changed its chairman of the board, or rather is changing its chairman of the board. The previous chairman was John Ngumi. John Ngumi is no longer the chairman of the board, and so Safaricom is appointing a new chairman. There is also rumors flying around that we have a new government in Kenya, the Kenya Kwanza government, or the Hustler government. Most of the Uhuru appointees, or most of the people who came in during the Uhuru era, some of them are going home. Things are very thick. We have corporate boards, or corporate or parastatals. Parastatals, chairmen and CEOs and everyone else, they are going home. Grand Mola is one of the noisy lawyers on Facebook, or rather on Twitter. He preluded a few months back that since Ruto came into power, Safaricom board of directors will go. He had a premonition. I don't know whether to call it a premonition, but he foresaw the exit of John Ngumi. He knew that John Ngumi would be fired by the new Kenya Kwanza government. For some reason, that prediction came to pass. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a situation where most parastatal heads are going away. The government of Kenya has a big share in the ownership of Safaricom. And if anything, and the government now is headed by one William Ruto, if anything, I'm not so sure of the future of the current CEO. He may just follow John Ngumi. Now things are so tough at Safaricom, and the share price is touching 22. Investors are getting very, very worried. Should you buy? Should you hold Safaricom? Well, the answer is this. One of the legendary investors, and this is Warren Buffett, he says this: when there is blood in the streets, buy. When people are very, very afraid, buy. When people are so fearful, buy. My urge to you is this: Safaricom is a good buy. Buy Safaricom at 22. Buy Safaricom at 22. Everyone else is dumping. Buy Safaricom when everyone else is afraid. Buy Safaricom when everyone else is fearful. Buy Safaricom when everyone else is dumping their stocks. Buy Safaricom when there is change of government. Buy Safaricom when there is change in the chairman of board of directors. buy Safaricom. As long as we are still making phone calls using Safaricom and transferring money using Safaricom and using data bundles from Safaricom, Safaricom will forever be making money, and Safaricom will forever be a good buy. As they change their management, they make the company better. Us as shareholders, all we want is very simple. Can we make more money? Yes. Can Safaricom make more profits? Yes. Can Safaricom give us more dividends? Yes. Can we see a growth in Safaricom? Yes. At 50% discount, Safaricom is a good buy. Buy Safaricom. Otherwise, my name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I teach people about the stock market. I teach people about cryptocurrency. You can call me. My telephone number is 0720-969-361. I'll guide you and teach you. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. You can also join our Telegram group. I have a Telegram group called Stock Market Investing 101. Stock Market Investing 101. That's where I talk to people about stock market and cryptocurrency. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Uriti. Kwaheri ya kuonana.